Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to add a subdomain on Cpanel account. First, please log in with your credentials in Cpanel. This is how it's supposed to look. But be aware that theme may vary. We need to find the section Addon Domains. After you find it, click on it. On this page, please write the name of your new domain on field New Domain Name. You also have the possibility to create a new FTP user special for this add-on domain. If you are giving access to somebody else for this domain, I suggest to add a new FTP account. Please note that the document root is very important. You can change that, but I suggest you leave it like that. If you will wish to upload some files to your new subdomain, you will need to go to File Manager and select the folder that is here, the document root. Press on Add Domain and your new domain should be ready in a few seconds. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe.